Hello, quickly let's take a look at the updates in the AI space. Now, another exciting update here again from OpenAI. Right now we have something even more powerful than what we already used to. So in this video, I'm just going to be breaking it down to you and see how we can make sense out of it and also what to look out for in the AI space. And of course, the focus of this video is ChatGPT4o. The O stand for Omni. Pretty much, this is really an exciting thing, and for you to really have a great understanding of what this update really means, we'll walk through the update itself, what the features are. Then I'll tell you something that you really need to understand to see how this technology's trend started in the 80s and also where it's taking us. Pretty much is a very exciting thing that we really need to understand, especially if you want to find yourself at the edge in any area you find yourself. According to OpenAI, ChatGPT now can do tasks from voice prompts to transcription, intelligence, and even having access to the internet. If you look at the previous model, the only thing we can do is just put in prompts. We don't have access to internet, we don't have access to voice prompts. It couldn't even read images, right? And that is pretty much what this new version is bringing.
GPT4o reasons across voice, text, and vision.
Just imagine you're on a conference call and you're speaking to somebody that is not in your location and you're able to get that transcription in real time. Without having to think maybe the person is saying something else, the machine is going to say it perfectly.
I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian, and I only speak English. And every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian. And if you hear Italian, I want you to translate it back to English. Is that good?
Perfetto.
Mark, io mi chiedo se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
Sicuramente sì.
Certainly yes.
Great, it looks like it works.
The AI right now is also able to view and understand images. So you could take a picture of an object, present it to the AI, and is able to tell you exactly what that object are. Another example is that you could give it an equation, just take a screen grab from an equation, and is able to tell you, help you solve that equation. Another fantastic update is the desktop app coming with the whole ecosystem. So in other words, you can now have a native app that you can use to run the model and get responses in real time. Especially those who write codes, you no longer have to copy your code from your code editor and take it to the browser. With the desktop app, you are able to copy and the machine is able to project and understand the context and give you responses. All this a fantastic thing to just make sure that it is more accessible for us to use this technology. Alright, let's quickly talk about how we got here. Some years ago, in the 90s, machines can only take instructions, and they can only take instructions in the sequence in which you program them. So in other words, when you program a machine, the machine is going to carry out that task just like the way you did it. Sometime later, engineers begin to think, what are the possible ways to make sure that machines can take some certain decisions? So in other words, why can't machines do several things even without asking them to do it? Fast forward to the past decade, this technology are now available for large user base to be able to use it and also help the model to get better. Look at it this way. Everything we're talking about right now is decision making. So regardless of your industry, this is really an aspect where you need to set a watch on. Make sure that you keep a close eye on it and do everything possible for you to stay on top of your game. Because guess what? This model will keep getting better. And if you don't really understand how some of these things work, you might be affected in the long run. Now, let's talk about what to look out for. I want you to understand that whatever we are seeing right now is just the beginning. We haven't really seen anything yet. Right now, OpenAI ChatGPT can see, can listen, and can speak, but that's not all. I'm looking forward to an AI space where we already have existing model that is able to drive car, self-driving car. Now, what you're going to be seeing in the next couple of weeks, couple of months, is the synergy between all of these models. Right now, OpenAI has been able to merge speech to text, text to speech, be able to merge several things together. Because initially, for you to use every of these models, you need to visit another platform to do text to speech, another platform to read and understand images. But what OpenAI have done right now is to merge all of these things together, and you're able to do all of those things in one place. What we are going to be seeing in the next couple of months is those combinations, those integrations, in order to make all of this model efficient. Google as well just released their own updates. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well. So stay close to my channel, and of course you get the update once that has been released. And that's how we wrap it up on this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media handles. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.